Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World, and don't forget to subscribe to be a part of my world. I know I haven't been filming for a very long time. One of the reasons is because I didn't want people to know where I live because of my, situations that happen, and I wanted to feel safe and comfortable in my space. So yeah, I didn't do that. And also, I've also been so busy. Like, I just finished school last month in end of April, somewhere there. I just finished school, so I could finally start studying for my CPA exam, which I'm excited about. But there's also going to be a Q&A live update video that I'll be shooting in a few days. So yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments, and I'll be looking through it and I'll answer any question that you might have. And yeah, just let me know. Yeah, also guys, please be sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is It's Just Marla. It's ITZJUSTMARLA. No underscore, no period, no nothing like that. It's just Marla. So anyways, yeah, but that's it. I didn't film an intro, so this is the intro to the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let me know if you like the apartments, and also let me know what's your favorite thing about the apartment. Yeah, so enjoy the video. So you come in, you can turn this light switch on so the place isn't too dark. When you come in, you get, this is the laundry area. Pretty big, and I'm so happy about this. And I'm also, turn the light on. I'm also happy about the shelves. You can put like your laundry detergent and such on there. Here, so look, here is the closet for your clothes. So you just put like your jackets and stuff when you just walk in. You can put your shoes on the floor. It's a little dirty, I gotta sweep, but yeah. And next, I'll do the bathroom. So first, so when you come, so here's the main bathroom, like in the, for guests to use and everyone else. So it has a full bath, and it's so huge. I love it. Like, look how deep that is. It's like really nice. So yeah, it has the shower. Just put your shower curtain in, you're good. The toilet, and then a huge mirror. Okay, look at this. This is really nice. I like it, and the lighting is perfect. I just love this about it. Then here you got another mirror. Woohoo! And also in here you have a lot of closet space. There's a light switch. So yeah, it's like a walk-in closet, and it's huge. Can't complain with it, right? I'm turning off the lights behind me. Oh, there's a light over the shower. Let me turn that off. And then this is the first bedroom. It's not too big, but it's not too small either. I'm not gonna show you the window because I don't want y'all to know where it is, but yeah, the floor is carpeted and it looks real nice. And then this is the living area. We're gonna put like our couch right there. And yeah, I like the little light switch over there. You turn it on. Oh, that switches for outside. I don't understand the switches, but we'll figure it out. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to turn that light on. Give me a second. Okay, must not be working. I don't know. But anyways, so yeah. And then this is the kitchen, guys. I love the kitchen because, like, when I do cook, I like to have a lot of space. There's plenty cabinet space. There's plenty counter space. There's just, it's just perfect. And I like that the stove isn't glass, so it's easier to clean. And I personally feel like it cooks the food better, but that's just me. We have a huge microwave. Yeah. And we have a full-size dishwasher as well. Very nice. Let's see. Why do they have stove stuff in the dishwasher? That I don't know. But hey, that's the dishwasher. Yeah, so we have a lot of cabinet space, which I'll be definitely using. And I also like that this is a double sink. And you have your little drawers for like your spoons and all that stuff. And because we have so much counter space, like I won't have to put like my Instant Pot and so forth on the counter, because there's more than enough counters. There's more than enough space in the cupboards. Yeah, in the fridge, it's nice. It's good size, you know what I'm saying? It's really nice. And they have an ice maker in the fridge, which I like. See, lots of ice in there. Obviously, I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna throw that out for sure, because that's kind of weird. And yeah, this is the freezer. Okay, now the master bedroom is this one. I don't really want to show y'all outside because I don't want y'all to know where I live, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And this is all natural light, by the way, except for the bathroom. But as you can see, this is currently off, so there's no light in there. Oh, I think we just have to pull it for the light, obviously. Oh, but I think you have to turn it on first. Yeah, so you see, that's the light. So, yeah. But yeah, it's carpeted in here as well. Then you come inside here. There's the master. There's the bathroom. The mirror is huge. The shower, I don't like that it's so low. Like here, I feel like here could be up a little, because that way you won't have too much water splash. But yeah, they have like a little soap thing you can put your soap on. Shower head. I feel like I'm going to bring my shower head because I love my shower head more than that. And yeah, then you have the toilet here. But you also have like a lot of cabinet space. I could store my makeup in here. Yeah, it's a lot of cabinet space. And also you have the same mirror here. And yeah, you have a closet here, a walk-in closet. I feel like it's the same size as the other one personally, but I thought it was supposed to be bigger, but it's not bigger. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's the end of the apartment tour, the unfurnished apartment tour. Let me see, how do you turn these lights on? How do you turn the lights on over here? Okay, so that turns that on. So let's see what turns this one on. Let's see. Okay. I'm trying to figure out the lights, guys. If you can't tell. Oh, I figured it out. Okay. And yeah, that's the end. And yeah, with that, I am about to leave because I have errands to run. I don't know if I should take you guys along with me or not, but yeah, this is a new place. Also, guys, if you want a nice apartment to live at, this is nice up here. And there's a pool right over there, and they're like cleaning it right now. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Yeah, the pool is right where that fence is. I think you can see a little bit, but yeah. But if y'all have allergies, I don't know, because the pollens are like all over. The pollen, like they're all over the place. Like even my car is super green right now, so yeah. Okay, so did you comment? Did you let me know what you think about the apartment? And did you leave any questions below? If not, it's not too late. Go ahead, leave a comment, leave a question, and let me know what you guys think. This is the end of the video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave your comment and like, comment, share, subscribe, all that, you feel me? So anyways, yeah, bye. Love you guys, and I appreciate you all. See y'all later.